Today is the year of the rabbit. The rabbit is a symbol of peace. The celebration also holds an ancient tradition where fireworks and firecrackers ward off evil. The celebration is also a time of reflection, blessings, prosperity, peace, and harmony.
Television. I was wondering, have you been to the parades here every year?
No, I have not. This is actually my first year.
This is your first year?
Oh, yeah.
How long have you been in Philadelphia or the U.S.?
Let's say since 2009.
Since 2009?
So it'll be like 14 years or so.
In Philadelphia?
Yes.
And this is your first time to?
Oh, yes.
Is there any reason why you haven't celebrated your culture here any sooner?
That's usually because, you know, it falls on the weekday. There will be school and there will be work.
Awesome,
So
I totally understand.
yeah.
All right.